What's good, everyone? This is your boy, the one and only Mr. Kunyeke, Mr. Iyaha, and today I'm not alone. I'm here with
Khuzikelo.
yaziwa kuliyo. Sacela ungayinta namhlanje so far yabo.
Into namhlanje ithi mfana bazenza ngathi ababoni yabona kule nto yenzayo. Babhekile ntwana yabona uyicala ngani. Ekugcineni ngizoyishaya nge-17 Pro Max. Patience, perfect things takes time. Akunokuthi ubani ucela kuyokuthi ubani ucede kuqala. Angithi siphila emhlabeni kaMdala. Angekugcina intando yabantu kugcina intando kaNkulunkulu. So wena qhubeka uyenze into yenzayo uzobona uzongibamba isandla. Drawing ama-vlog whatever yenza consistency bakubhekile abavalanga amehlo sayaqhubeka
ile like what inspired you yabo ukuthi vele ushaye brand yabo boy to the world.
Obviously mfethu we live amongst the people like abafuna ukusibona sihlulekile ngithi so nje kumele uyenze by all means because content without money is nothing. Yikho ngithi like somebody do something. So lithemba lami ukuvusa umuntu omnyama ukubonisa ukuthi siyayenza lento akungukuthi unani awunani like ngalamandla ona kumele uzenzele like ubukeke ebantwini out there.
Okay, sacela ungishayele line ngebrand yami City Trip.
Isithi what?
City Trip nayo la.
Shuthi ngidate besiphetha bobhezi shuthi shaye City Trip anidayibam. But hayi kabi. We are coming ugly siza kabi ma-share City Trip shama phutho okudlala irugby. Anidayibam. Hayi laba sebayagula sebahamba isithi rugby. Asivilaphi asambi therapy into edumayo sithi sikavela. Asimplify njalo.
Yabonga for isikhathi sakho. Danko.